Hi, in this video I am going to give you free bokeh preset. You can find download link in description. And if you don't know how to use or how to import preset, then you can watch full video to know. So let's start without any delay. After the download, extract the file. Next, open Premiere Pro. Go to the effects and right click on preset bin and select import preset and click on preset, and it's done. Now search for the effect and simply drag on video. And if you find this helpful, then please subscribe to my channel